Hi there, I am Chef Ran Polak from Academia by Gruda Food Lab.
Hi, I am Anton Slavkin, Science and Technology Manager at GFI Israel.
In the next videos, we will introduce you to the fascinating worlds of flavors. Today, we will focus on building the right flavor profile for your product. Flavors play a critical role in food product development, directly influencing a customer's enjoyment of the product, emotional connection to it, and even the likelihood of repeat purchases.
A product can be perfect nutritionally and technologically, but if it doesn't meet consumers' flavor expectations, they won't buy it again. Flavors go far beyond the taste of food itself. Flavor is a combination of mouthfeel, aromas perceived through the olfactory system, and even the texture and weight of the food. Building a flavor profile is one of the most critical stages in fruit product development. A well-designed flavor profile ensures the product meets consumer expectations and stands out in a competitive market. In this video, we'll explore how to design a balanced, appealing, and product-appropriate flavor profile.
So, what is the flavor profile? It is the combination of all the sensory experiences a consumer has when consuming a product. This includes basic taste, sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Aromatic notes, scents perceived through the sense of olfactions. The sensors in the nose are very sensitive, and humans can detect tens of millions of different smells at a wide range of concentrations. Texture, mouthfeel, and noise. Elements such as creamy, crunchy, chewy, crumbly, spicy, astringent, or dense are all aspects of a mouthfeel and texture. Some of these are even noisy when chewing, adding a complementary layer to the overall flavor experience.
Challenges in flavor development include finding the right balance between strong and subtle flavors, working with unique ingredients like plant-based proteins that may introduce off-notes which require masking, adapting the flavor profile to target customers, markets, and cultural or regional preferences. Here are the key steps for building a winning flavor profile. First, define the product's purpose. What experience should the product deliver? Should it be refreshing, comforting, or maybe bold? For example, a plant-based burger ideally should be as close as possible to a meat burger in its level of umami and salty taste, and in its degree of chewiness and juiciness. What flavors does your target audience prefer? Do they have cultural or dietary restrictions? For example, in Asian markets, spicy and sour flavors are popular, whereas in Europe, herbal and subtle flavors dominate. Choose key ingredients. Blend natural, nature identical, and synthetic flavor to achieve the desired balance. Use functional ingredients to enhance perception like umami boosters or acids for added freshness. Balance basic tastes. Ensure flavors don't overpower one another. Ensure that mouthfeel and texture of the product complement it rather than interfere. For example, a sauce should include enough acidity to balance sweetness without overshadowing umami notes. Conduct sensory testing. Perform internal sensory panels or consumer tests. Evaluate how consumers experience the product and adjust the profile based on feedback. Common mistakes in building a flavor profile include overloading the product with too many competing flavors, ignoring changes in flavor during storage or cooking, overlooking off-notes introduced by other ingredients, especially plant-based proteins. In this video, we have covered how to build flavor profiles for food products. In the next video, we will talk about the challenge of masking off-notes, particularly in plant-based proteins. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.